So into the second section, we've got the cardio section. So you're jogging side to side, most of the way through. Keep your feet close to parallel. Make sure every time you jog, you're rolling down through the foot. Make sure your heel makes proper contact with the floor, so your ankles get a nice little stretch. We've got foot springs. We point the toes to the back, keeping it low at the beginning, but later on, we go higher as well. Get those toes right up to your butts. Same to the front as well. We've got low attitude advance, so make sure you press and return out into the flick of the toes. That releases the leg. And we also go higher later on again. When you go higher, use the feet to do the work for you so those legs don't get too tired. We've got bend stretches. Get right down into your knees. Every time you want to fully transfer the weight so that you've got your foot released. We do that with some arms. The arm circles, you've got one arm, then the other. Always same arm as the leg you're going to be pointing. And then we've got both arms as well. And we've got twist punches. Turn the body as much as you can. Still get down in the plie. Lots of reach and rotation. Then we got to the shoulders here, elbows high, and stretch down. Make sure you're stood tall as well. Bend and stretch. This is the best one for getting right down. So try and get right down, full plie, every single time. And elbows high every time you're up. Okay? Back to the jogs. There's some jumping jacks in this one. So you're jumping out as wide as you can. Really down into the knees. Big stretch out. The arms are coming down the sides. Don't pull them in. Keep them wide away from you. And tuck the toes into the back. Just there. And then same with the other leg. We've got bouncing kicks. So we bounce feet together. You've got hands stretched. Pull those into fists. As again, you pull down the sides. They're not pulling in. They're just pulling into here. And again, you've got the legs kicking right up. Bend your soft knee. Nice and relaxed. Just think about bouncing that knee off your shoulder. So it goes bounce and kick, bounce and kick, bounce and kick. Easy peasy. We've got cross and we've got open. The arms are nice and high. Try to alternate each time which arm's on top. You're not crossing here. Cross at the elbow. Straight arms right over. When those arms open up, one foot in behind the knee. If you've got backwards bendy elbows, watch out for that spaghetti noodle flop. Keep them nice and strong, just here. So you go bend, two, bend, and two, bend, and two, bend, and two. Okay. Then right at the end of all that, there's a big long stretch section. Use that to catch your breath back. Use that just to ease out any aches and pains you might still have before into the final section.